Alright guys, so it's 1:45, it's Friday, we're headed to LST, just now heading out. I was supposed to leave at 12, but that didn't happen. But 1 o'clock, 1:30 wasn't too bad. We got about 2 hours and 50 minutes ahead of us, so we'll see how it goes. But this will just be a small little recap of the little trip down there, and then we'll be bringing you more videos of the coverage, especially on Saturday, because I know everybody wants to see what's going on Saturday, because Saturday's the main deal. But yeah, let's keep driving and see what adventures we run into. The typical booking spot. Yeah, in Madisonville. This is where you see all the nice builds, all the different types of builds. Like we just saw a lowered C10 on some steel wheels. Then you got big trucks, lowered trucks. We haven't really run into that many people this year. We usually run into a lot of people on the road or at these stops in general, but it's pretty empty this time at least. But get the old, what is it, the barbecue sandwich? That with a big ass cup. What is it, like a 80 ounce? It's not 80 ounce, but it's a big ass fluid or whatever, like the soft drink one. But I like to get the sweet Arnold Palmer. But because I'm a fat piece of shit, I haven't been to the gym in 4 weeks. Pumping fuel. Of course these trucks are going to be dirty because of the weather that we had in Texas. I tried to get it clean before, but time and, well, my detailer was acting a little funny, but she's sitting good. She hasn't moved around at all. We're going to check the chains before we head back out, but she's sitting nice and right the way she's supposed to be. Loading it up was kind of a hassle because it shifted to the left a little bit, but overall it's not too bad. And well, the F-250 is doing pretty good. People don't know that I'm actually a big Chevy fan. I'm a big Chevy GM fan, but the reality is I actually have 2 Fords, and I don't have a daily that's a Chevy anymore. So, but yeah, we'll keep on trucking, and we'll head out south.
Few moments later.
Hey, you know what? Where are my keys? I'm gonna turn it on for you. Where's that key at? It's right here. They're gonna buy this. Sheesh.
What you doing, man?
Putting in a little work. Putting in a little bit more work. What am I gonna do? I need something else. Oh, the keys. Hey, you think I should try to roll it back without moving the fenders? Just take the lug nuts off. And I have gloves, and I don't ever wear my gloves. What's in this magic toolbox? If I can open this box. Wow. Would you look at that? We need a 16 with the long socket, probably longer than this.
We got another one.
Oh, we do?
Yeah. Take that.
We got the extra long. Where y'all going? Hey, Blake, do me a favor. Can you go grab my phone in case Kevin calls me?
Yeah, where's your phone, Daddy?
Over there. It's in the front. Why are you walking that way? I don't think you're late. Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right. I forgot about that lay, boy.
Where's it at?
And my front center console on the top. Yeah, I was gonna try to do a shortcut and then move it later, but I was like, no, I'm actually gonna take my time to do it.
I heard that. What's up, man? Everything right?
My buddy Blake and Angel. Getting this shit off.
He's gonna do one more wash, and that's this one, so. Then we'll take it inside. You ain't gotta worry about it. I'll drive it inside.
Yeah, that's all right, man.
I'll give it to Jason. Jason, put it where he wants to. In the morning, we'll polish it in.
Okay, that's perfect. Oh, shit, but it won't take me long. I'm just gonna get this bitch going. The only thing is, I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna get this one.
Hey, that is tight.
Oh, I got it.
Don't tell Pete.
Stop, Blake. I like it.